you just gon' hop on the line. I fuck on that bitch through my dance. I'ma just go super sad.
Hey man, what's the deal? It's your boy Chance back with a video, man. And today this is about to be a quick, simple video on how to use the widgets app and how to make a cool like little widgets and have it look all aesthetic-y and all this other stuff, man. But mine's like more of a hype beast type thing, more hype thing. But you guys can do this at any way, anyhow. You have to, but first and foremost, you have to have the iOS 14 update. Make sure you update your phone to iOS 14 or you will not be able to use this. I'm not about to edit anything. I'm about to show you guys all raw. Before this video starts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're about to get right into it. 35-minute intro. Let's go. Alright, man, what's up, y'all? Okay, you guys can see I'm screen recording right now, and this is how mine looks. Mine is not the best because I don't got that many apps, but if you guys can see, I have the blue, I have the red, and I got the green, y'all. I just feel like this is such a vibe, man, and it is such nice and chill with the background. My personal opinion, I feel like, what in the world? In my personal opinion, I feel like you guys should just have a black background or anything that you want. But first and foremost, you're going to get the Widgets app right there. All right, you want to go to Play Store or Apple. I said Play. I want to go to Apple Store and type in WidgetSmith. When you type it in, it's going to be the first one that you guys can clearly see. Don't worry about none of the other ones. It's going to be this one specifically. And the reason why you need to update your phone is because that's the only way you can get this one. It requires the iOS 14 update. So once you get it, you're going to want to open it, y'all. And if you guys can see, I already have them right here. And this is how you're going to do it. So if you guys want a small one, you're going to add small. I'm going to press it just like that. And at the top, where it says small 11, you're going to press that and name it whatever you want to name it. I'm going to name it O for orange. Then you're going to press save on that one. This is what I do. Save, and then you want to go to default widget. You want to scroll, and you see where it says photos, y'all. That's what you want to press. So we're just about to go up, about to go on Safari, and I'm about to get a picture real quick. Okay, you guys, once you get it, I personally prefer for you guys to type in orange aesthetic. And I got mine, so I'm about to just pick an image. Which one do I want, man? This one looks too girly. I want something that's like nice and just chill. You feel like a cool vibe. I might pick this one right here. Yeah, this one is cool, y'all. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the screen and press add to photos. Once you're done, it's going to wait a little bit and then go back to the app. Just like that. Then you just want to go to all the way down and go to photos. People usually go to photo album, but you don't need to do that. Go to photos where it says select photos at the bottom, y'all. Press that, choose photo, and then you want to press that photo. Don't worry about, yeah, you want to press that photo, and you guys can clearly see, you guys see it, right? So you're going to press the O at the corner, and then you want to press save. Boom, you're done. Then what you're going to do, y'all, is you're going to go to the area where you want to add the widget. So I'm about to move these over here to this side of the screen like that, so I can have space to add the widget. Boom. Oh, okay, I think that's enough space. Then you guys want to hold the screen first, y'all. Hold it like that. Boom. And then you want to press the little plus at the top right corner. Go all the way down to WidgetSmith. Press it. Small widget. You can either do a small widget, medium, or large, but press the one that you know you had and you want to add the widget. And boom, y'all, it'll pop up just like that, y'all. And if it doesn't pop up like that, only thing that you have to do is you're going to hold the widget like that, edit widget, and then you're going to press widget right here, and you want to press the one that you already had named, and that was O, and boom, man, widget will pop up there. And then only thing you're going to do, man, is just like move your stuff out the way. You get like anything that's orange, like the SoundCloud or this little private thing, whatever. And yeah, man, it's pretty simple. That's just how you do it, man. That's how you can get a cool fire aesthetic, man. So if you guys like this quick little video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But this is my hype beast one right here, so you already know that that thumbnail go be hype beast this and that. But yeah, man, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.